Hello and welcome to this video tour today of number 30 Southlake Court here in Woodley. So what we have here is a 2-bedroom top floor apartment, really good sized accommodation. Two things to mention before we go inside is one, you can see the trees in the background. Beyond those trees we have Southlake with a bit of surrounding woodland, so lovely spot for nice walks. The other thing is in the direction over here, 5 minutes walk and you've got Earley Railway Station. So again, very convenient location. So let's take you inside and show you around. So here we are upstairs and through the front door into the entrance hall of the apartment itself. So what we have is door to the left there, giving you access to the second bedroom, bathroom next door, door there through to the main bedroom. And then we have a door here taking you into the lounge. Just behind me there's also a door going into the kitchen. So I'm going to start in the lounge itself. So we have a separate dining room here. So this is all lounge, not a lounge diner. As you can see, we've got 2 front aspect windows there. Plenty of space for furniture. You can just about see the open way through to the dining room there. Let's just step into this corner here and turn around and show you this room from another angle. And then through to the dining area here. This is quite unusual with an apartment. You normally find it's a lounge diner, one rectangular room, but this has definitely got this separate dining area. Worthwhile just pointing out the view we have from this window. You can just about see the lake through the trees, communal gardens wrapped round to the left there, and on the right hand side you can just see the blue car and the end garage. That is the garage that comes with this property. So parking in front clearly, but yeah, lovely view across to the lake from here. So I'm just going to step back now and take you into the kitchen. The kitchen window also has the same view, by the way. So, modern kitchen, you can see we've got a ceramic hob just there. And there's the sink unit with the window I mentioned with that lovely view. Let me just step back slightly and show you more of the kitchen. We've got on this side more work surface space with cupboards under, eye level units. You can see we've got a built-in oven just there as well. And I'm pretty sure if I just step forward here, yep, we have a built-in dishwasher as well. So really nicely put together. Nice flooring as well, you can see. This flooring flows through into the dining area. And behind the door you can just see we've got space for a fridge freezer just here. So let's go back into the hallway and now show you the bedrooms. So firstly, the main bedroom, the largest of the two. You can see straight away plenty of room for a double bed, and there is plenty of space also for furniture, wardrobes, drawer units, that sort of thing. So really good main bedroom. Through here we've got the second bedroom. Great to see that there is a double bed in this room, so that just demonstrates the size. Space for furniture on the right hand side here. I'm just going to step into the room and show you it from another angle. Okay, and then finally the bathroom. So the bathroom has been refitted. You'll see straight away we've got a modern white suite there with a shower end on the bath. And if I just point upwards, that way there, we've got the shower. Yeah, there you go. And wash basin there with a vanity covered under, the low level WC. Nice tiling as well. And this cupboard here, this is the airing cupboard. So that is the tour of the apartment itself. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish by popping outside and just showing you exactly what we have behind with Southlake. And so here we have Southlake. So I'm literally just at the rear of Southlake Court Apartments, and this little opening shows you just what we have as far as the lake is concerned. It's not a boating lake, anything. All you're really going to see here are fishermen. I'm just going to turn around, just wander back here and show you the exact proximity of the lake here to Southlake Court. There's the block and the property that we're selling. If I can identify it right, it's just on the end of the road there. So yeah, it's a really lovely location for this 2-bedroom apartment, like I said before, with its own garage and located about 5 minutes from Earley Railway Station. So just remains for me to say thanks for watching.